me congratulate you, sir, as well. You know, you add to the value and value also adds to you, that we came to know. Just wanted to know what kind of brand freak you are.
That's what, like I said, it means a lot for me. And working with Lloyd has been an absolute pleasure. I've been with them for over 2 years now. And I've been using their products also, and I can assure you that they're world class.
And we can see Mahesh Babu, sir, more into the business.
It's not really, it's not like we've started it overnight. So it's been my dream to invest in the multiplex for 5 years. And with the help of Asian Films, Sunil Garu, Narayan Das Garu, we did it. And it's one of my dreams which came true. So I'm really happy.
So we can call it Mahesh Babu as a businessman. How it sounds? As an actor, always there.
I'm an actor first. That's it.
That makes more sense for you.
Yeah.
It's balanced your business and...
I wouldn't say business. If you look at it this way, that it's only for the films. You know, my dream was to watch a film in an amazing theater since I was young, in Chennai, whatever I did. And so for me, it was like to own a theater like that with amazing sound and projection where the audience can enjoy it. So I'm glad that it's happened.
So next movie will be there.
Yeah.
Launch. And New Year is coming, sir. What's 2018's for Mahesh Babu, sir?
I'm very excited. There's a lot of exciting work, and I'm really looking forward to the release of my next film, Maharshi. It's release summer, and I'm really looking forward to it.
At this point of time, sir, what makes more exciting for you, a biopic or some role? You're really waiting for that. I mean, people must be asking you for that.
It's not really. I've not been approached for that, but whatever film I do is I give it all. So that is more exciting for me.
So till now, not mind is made for the Bollywood, sir. As you were always saying no. Till now also, the same Mahesh Babu, sir, for Tollywood?
Yeah, for Tollywood. Why would I waste my time there?
Oh my God.